In this lesson, we're doing something a little meta. We're going to show you how we use Parta MCP to build an introductory course about Parta MCP. We'll be taking the custom templates and skills we created earlier and applying them directly to our source document. Let's dive in. Here's my source material, a simple Google Doc containing the script for my course. And here's the course we were able to build with MCP using the skills and template collection from the previous lessons. Now let's walk through exactly how we did it. First, let's take a quick look at our skills to refresh our memory. We have two skills, a template skill and a course building workflow skill. The template skill determines which template collection the agent will use and how it should apply each template. The workflow skill defines the overall course building process, including the structure, rules, and detailed instructions the agent should follow. At this point, we could jump straight into generating the course, applying both skills. However, I want to make sure the final result matches my expectations as closely as possible. So first, I'll share a link to the course script and ask the agent to generate an outline. Now we can review the course structure and make sure it aligns with what we expect. In this example, the outline doesn't include a quiz section, so I'll ask the agent to create one as well. This is also a good reminder that my workflow skill doesn't currently require a quiz section. If the final quiz section should always be included, this is a great opportunity to update the skill accordingly. Now that the quiz outline is ready, I can review the number of questions and their topics. 15 questions is exactly what I need, so I'll ask the agent to build the course directly in my workspace. We can watch the agent build the course in real time and follow its progress with live updates in Parta. The agent has created the complete course structure, but only the first 3 lessons have been populated so far. Let's open the first one and take a look. Overall, it's very close to what I had in mind, but I'd like to make a few adjustments. While I'm in preview mode, I'll copy the link to this section. I will pause the building process and paste the link into Claude. I will ask the agent to add 2 more blocks to this lesson, a reflection and a knowledge check. Once I reload the page, I can see that both blocks have been added to the section. Another useful feature is the ability to leave comments for the agent directly in Parta. I'll switch to comment mode. Here I can see that the text in this knowledge check is absent. I'll tag the agent and leave a comment asking it to revise the content and add a question related to the lesson's material. Now I'll return to Claude and ask it to find and resolve any outstanding comments in this section. Claude locates the comment, updates the knowledge check, and applies the requested changes automatically. And that's it! You've seen how Parta MCP can take you from a simple source document to a fully structured course, while still giving you complete control over the final result. By combining reusable skills, templates, and iterative feedback, you can create high-quality learning experiences faster than ever. Thanks for following along, and we're excited to see what you'll build with MCP.